Just a quick note, because there's like a small problem. I'm also receiving the push notifications that or when I send a post, I'm receiving a push notification myself, and that's of course not a good solution. So I have to check if it's of course I can be a subscriber to the channel I post in, that's fine, but then I shouldn't receive something if I post something myself. So what we do is I change the post to subs to make it actually mean what it means, and yeah, so that's perfect. All I need to check here is if sub push token exists and if push token not equals sub push token. So if it's not the same push token, then send a push message. Otherwise, don't send it. That's it. It's really simple. So I won't receive one myself. Oh, not a if. Oh, that's the wrong syntax. Now it's right. It removes that thing. So yeah, now that should work. And now I won't receive a push notification myself. And I also changed the text. It will say my name at my channel and then text. So yeah. Also, it requires the variable user. Does it actually use that? Because I think in my client I used screen name, and that's the wrong thing. I'm going to change everything to user. So let's do that too. In home screen where it gets the query, actually query posts user, perfect. Create post user string, user. It does variables, create post. It should use user everywhere. So when it creates a post, user, it will go for screen name. And that's probably what exists right now. But I want to call it user. Because then we are the same on every level. I don't want screen name, I don't want to see it anymore, anywhere. So even not in the settings. And that's fine. Yeah, let's just call it username then, huh? Or just name. That's perfect. Now in the index we have to change the screen name too. It's really that simple, is it? Isn't it? So yeah, of course we have to reload the page, maybe. Oh, not hot reloading. I wanna reload for real. Okay, it actually broke because of changing that thing. So let's restart the packager. Because I think it's okay. Should be alright. Any problemas? So yeah, I don't really like TypeScript for now. I hope I can improve it. I get a lot of errors. But I try to just look over them and hope for the best. And hopefully it can still do me some good. In the end, I can do more types and it will be even better. But yeah, for now, it gives me some errors that are not really errors. It's alright. So let's check the app again. I get user, I post user to in the home screen, post user, channel, push token, and any other things, because I should actually be able to push an avatar maybe. That would be nice. So let's see for a moment what we have here in home screen. It has a lot of information about us. The most important ones it already gives, but phone, WhatsApp and call are some nice ones that we can send. And right now it doesn't know that we have these properties, but we actually do. What do we have more? We have Google as an empty object and Facebook empty object. And when we logged in with Google, we get the avatar up there. And Google becomes an object that contains the photo URL. So we could pass Google, but it requires a string right now in the query. Create post Google requires a string, and Facebook too. So we could stringify the Google object. Let's see what we can do with that. Doesn't matter. Let's just copy this and just fill in as much as possible. That's the best. So we have those things. So yeah. And Google too. latitude. Do we have that? We have location, which is an empty object on my simulator. And do we have anything else? So now we have latitude and longitude if they exist. We can even make that shorter. Perfect. We have 6. For now, we will also make a variable city. And we don't know. And the avatar, we can make a variable for that too. Why not? And that's the same as and it will be inside of Google photo URL if it's an object. If it's not undefined, then it should give us the right thing. So let's see what happens. I won't be surprised if I get errors now, but I don't know why. It's strange. Okay, it's a little bit slow, but it works. And that actually works. Still get a notification like before. I don't have an avatar. This is strange. But let's see what the server has now in code. So it has a lot more now. That's great. City no clue, avatar resolves to this Google user content thing. And all the rest is filled in except for the location. Even Google is the stringified object right now, so that's perfect. What's up true, call true, found nothing, it's all correct. Likes and premium we don't give when we create it. It's exactly what's true, what's supposed to happen. So why is avatar not doing anything? We could check the card component for that. Okay. So it can't go into that. Actually, now it changed to Dutch avatar. Yeah, it makes it a lot simpler. It just gives the avatar right away. And it does. It works. Oh yeah. And why doesn't it show the name? Because it thinks I am going to give it screen name, but I'm not. I'm going to give it user. So yeah, the name works too. And for the rest, this is quite as it should be. So every time I post something, I can change my name. Change the channel. I can change everything. I can even change my phone number. And it will show my image. Perfect. Alright. That's it for now. See you later.